Life is busier than ever before, but the NissanConnect Services app can help save you time and make life more convenient by connecting you to your Nissan's cutting-edge technology, all from the palm of your hand. Getting started is easy. Just search for and download the NissanConnect Services app on the App Store or Google Play. When you open the app, you can create a new account by tapping Register or log in with your My Nissan username and password. To use NissanConnect Services features, such as remote engine start or remote door lock, you will need to be enrolled in a trial or paid subscription. Your dealer can enroll you in your trial, or if you prefer, you can enroll yourself on the app. Once you've logged in, save time with the convenience of the Garage page, where you can access remote services such as remote engine start or start charge, door lock unlock, and more. With your Aria, you can also remotely adjust your cabin temperature or set a schedule to have it cooled down or warmed up when you need it. From the Garage page, with the Remote Vehicle Status feature, you can see real-time information about your Nissan, such as fuel or battery level, tire pressure, lock status, and more. If your vehicle needs service, you will receive a maintenance required notice at the top of the vehicle status page, and you will have the option to schedule service. You can also find your Nissan with My Car Finder. Your vehicle's GPS location will appear on the NissanConnect Services app. On the Maps page, you can search for points of interest. Then, you can send the location to your vehicle and get voice-guided driving directions when you're ready to set out on your adventure. Or, with your Aria, you can start your journey with Intelligent Route Planner, create an itinerary for your next adventure, and choose routes with charging stations, including fast charging and more. The system will automatically calculate and insert all of the charging station waypoints needed for your vehicle to reach the selected destination. Alerts provide you a new level of convenience. Keep tabs on your Nissan even when you're not in it. On the Alerts page, set a speed, boundary, or curfew alert to monitor your Nissan when someone else is behind the wheel. Receive notifications if your Nissan departs from a set boundary, exceeds the speed limit you set, and more. And, at the push of a button, you can contact your Nissan Concierge or roadside assistance. With Nissan Concierge, you can get live 24-hour access to a professionally trained concierge team, on hand to help you with things like making dinner reservations and booking tickets, to getting directions and information about your vehicle. With roadside assistance, you can be connected to a live response specialist who can request to send towing or other services to your location. You can also contact Nissan Customer Care. On the More page, you can manage your account and set your preferences, manage your user profile and set your voice PIN code, choose your preferred method to receive notifications, and more. You can also access fax for quick and convenient answers. And, with your Aria, the driving analysis feature lets you stay connected with your vehicle and see vehicle stats like average energy consumption, total number of trips, and more. For the ultimate convenience, you can enjoy your NissanConnect Services beyond your smartphone app too. Remotely start or lock your vehicle, find your car, set alerts, and more on the NissanConnect Services app for watchOS and Wear OS. Or access those same features and more using only your voice with the Nissan Skill for Amazon Alexa or Nissan Action on Google Assistant. With services like remote engine start or remote charging, setting alerts, or contacting your personal assistant, the NissanConnect Services app is just another way Nissan helps make your life easier.